My name is Carla, and about a year ago, I injured my back. What I had done is I was working out and I had upped my weights and I had strained my lower back. And I'd done that once before, years ago, and it took several months of physical therapy, and I just thought I wanted to take a little bit different approach. I didn't want to go to the doctor and go through the medicine. I had a friend recommend acupuncture as an alternative, so I came to Lotus Spring and met Dan and told him what I was struggling with, and he said he could help me. My pain level probably when I started was a 6-7 for my lower back, and within a couple months I got some great relief. And so my pain level went away. I also was experiencing numbness in my toes. And that I think more concerned me than just even my back pain was that there was a connection with having numbness in my toes. And so he addressed that with the acupuncture also. People had told me, well, there's, when you have back problems, you can experience these things in your feet, and it just shows you the connection of the nerves. And yeah, it was like, what's happening to my feet? I mean, that's pretty scary too. I could tell every month or every week that I was coming in, I was getting better, less numbness in my toes, less pain in my back. And so after a couple months, I realized that one day I was walking in, and he always asks you, what's your pain level, 0 to 10? And I was like, oh, I'm a 0 today. And so that was a good feeling, because and any time now, if I just start to strain it, like a couple weeks ago I went wake surfing, and I was like, oh, my back's a little sore. I just come in and have a treatment, and so it's been great. So I think the most important thing is that I noticed that Dan really listens to you. He makes a lot of notes and he really pays attention. So from one visit to the next, when you come in, he's like, okay, where are you here, what are you dealing with? So that he pays attention to what you're actually experiencing and then what you've noticed. And so I feel like the treatments are very specific to what you're dealing with. And for me, I would highly recommend it because number one, I got great results. And number two, I feel like it's a great alternative to what's out there for medicine and not necessarily adding a bunch more pills. I struggle with taking any kind of medication. I really would prefer to do a natural approach to pain management. So for me, it was an exceptional experience and I highly recommend it. And if I have I had a shoulder situation from playing pickleball. I came in, he worked on my shoulder, the pain's gone. So I'm a firm believer in acupuncture and obviously would highly recommend Dan and the group at Lotus Spring.